Snackable. Now repeat after me. Snackable. Snackable. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary one word at a time. Meaning, snackable refers to content that is easy to consume quickly, often in small, digestible pieces. This term is commonly used in digital media to describe brief, engaging, and easily accessible content, like short videos, memes, or articles that people can enjoy without much time commitment. Think of it like this. Snackable content is like a quick snack. It's satisfying, doesn't take much time, and keeps you coming back for more. In a sentence, with our busy schedules, we prefer snackable content like short videos and quick reads. Here, snackable describes content that is brief and easy to consume. Let's try another example. The website's blog offers snackable tips on how to improve your productivity. Synonyms. Some related terms for snackable are bite-sized content, short, easy-to-consume pieces of information or media. Quick content, content designed to be consumed in a short period of time. Antonyms. The opposite of snackable would be long-form content, in-depth, lengthy content that requires more time to consume. Detailed content, content that goes into great depth and may take longer to digest. Part of speech. Snackable is an adjective used to describe content that is quick, engaging, and easy to consume. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.